today, this is hurting my, oh my lord. No, we gonna put it there. Hey guys, so today I decided I was gonna wax my sideburns. I don't even know. Yeah, I do know actually. I've been putting on my wig and I don't want to stay down. I have a lot of sideburn. Oh snap. I have a lot of sideburn, yeah. I don't know why. I decided that I'm gonna just wax it off so that when I glue my wig down, it'll stay and it won't keep lifting in the wind. I shouldn't even do that because it'll fall down again. See that? See that? It ain't moving. It ain't moving. I said I'm gonna wax my sideburns, but I don't even have the stuff to. I wasn't prepared. Hold on.
A few moments later.
So I'm back with the wig strips. Every year for Christmas, I get wax strips, and I cannot use that. I get them and I don't ever use. Oh, this is too. Oh, okay. I got my scissors and my hair clip. Obviously, you may be looking at my head and be thinking, girl, one side is longer than the other. I know. So let me tell you a story. I like to set my hair on fire. Wait, I don't mean like that. Ever since I was younger, I had a thing for setting my hair on fire. Like when I was in probably year 5, I was messing with the lighter and I used to see these people that like trim split ends with fire. Me being me, I got the lighter and I started going like this, like how to trim my split ends. Then it set on fire and everybody didn't want to help me. And then another time, because I know you guys know that my hair used to be longer than this. In my video when I took out my box braids, they were longer than this, and now they're not. Am I about to be one of those girls, but my hair used to be longer than this? Because it did, but we don't care about that. Last year I was blow drying my hair, and I like to dry my hair on the hottest setting possible so that I can see the smoke coming from my head. Yes, it is not healthy, but do I actually care? No, because I have a lot of hair anyway and there's too much of it. So I was blow drying my hair on the hottest setting. I held it there for a little bit too long. I was thinking, what does that smell? Looking in the mirror, there's flames. I'm like, oh, that's normal. There's always flames coming from the back of my head. No, it was burning. The back of my hair was on fire. When I turned around, the back of it was like long, short, medium, long, and it wasn't cute. We're gonna start on this side. Oh, and if you're wondering, you may not be wondering, but if you're wondering what is on my edges, because that is not coming back, it is the water resistant got to be glued. I don't know if it's gel or styling gel or glue, but it's water resistant and it's white in a yellow container. Whose hair is in here? Because that is not mine. I look crazy. Oh, I'll put it in the tripod. All the sideburn that I'm taking off. I'm scared. Maybe this is too much sideburn. I'ma just stick there. I didn't even stick it in the right place. I think I did it wrong. It's meant to be more over this way. If I pull it this, oh my gosh, this is not even straight. Okay. I'm actually trying to do it now. I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna do it now. Countdown with me. 3. Oh my lord. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh my god. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. That. About to do it again. Okay. I feel like I'm being too brave. 3. I'm not counting down. It's still on my face. Oh my gosh. What is that? I'm gonna have to be right back. Look how red. Should I use this or is that a bad idea? So, what I did this side, I strained and my extra hair came out. You see that? Do you see that? Let me just get down here too. Didn't even work. I'm gonna just leave that side alone now. Ow! Why is it not coming off? Do I need soap? Let me put some soap on it. That is red. Oh, we're gonna act like that did not happen. Great, now it's got a little piece of. So, this side, I can't even see what I'm doing on this side. Let me not do that and just hurry up and do what I'm supposed to be doing. It's crazy because I won't even know if I've done it too high or too low until I actually rip it off. Since we're here, so my finger, this happened to my finger. Yeah, it split really deep on the mirror. So just keep procrastinating. Anyway, how am I supposed to do this now? If I just breathe, it'll be over soon. I'm okay. This is the hair that came out. It hurt, but it didn't at the same time. I know it's gonna make no sense, but it's okay. Another one. It's thinner though because I don't know how much I need. No! I can't use that no more. I know you heard that. My hair is in it again. Again. What I do? Oh, the battery's gonna die. The battery's gonna die. My hair is shriveling up as we speak. A second ago, it said that there was no more battery, that it was about to die. And now there's a bar left, so just happened again, never mind. I'm gonna take my, it's not mine, it's my mom's. Oh, mama don't shine it. I'm sorry, but I need to use it. Cocoa butter, gonna put it on. I'm done.